Hi YouTube, Unkert here. In this video we're going to look at set and dictionary comprehensions. So I'm going to start off with a variable called myString and set it equal to my name. Now we could use a list comprehension to turn this string into a list, and we do that as myString list equals in square brackets character for character in my string. Okay, so if I did that and ran it, nothing would happen because I haven't printed it out, but let's print it out and run it. Okay, so if I print it out, we get a list with the characters in my name, including the space. Now, if I want to get rid of duplicate characters, what I can do is a set. So I could do myString set equals, and then within curly braces I could do character for character in my string, and then I could print my string set, and let's run that. And you'll notice here that we get a set and there are no duplicates. Okay, now in my name, the lowercase t, let's see, are there many? I don't think there's any duplicates, but if I wanted to get rid of those, I could with a set. So how might I use this? Well, let's say we had a list of items. It could be states, it could be anything in whatever your company is having a list of, and you want to eliminate the duplicates. So let's say we had a state list of various projects in different states, and maybe we had more than one project in a state, but we just wanted the states where we had projects in. So let's say we have Colorado, Connecticut, let's do Rhode Island, let's do California. And I'm not going to make a huge list, but this could be a huge list, because let's say we have 1,000 projects going, right? This would help to trim down the amount. Let's say New York. Let's also say Colorado. Let's say Connecticut again, and let's say Vermont again. Okay, so we have a certain amount of projects going. A real list would be longer, but let's say we want to just figure out what states we have the projects going in currently. So I could say my state set equals, and we could do, within curly braces, we could do state for state in my state list. And then we could print my state set. Okay, so we could run that. And you'll see that it's cut down on the duplicates of Connecticut, Colorado, and Vermont. Okay, and now we only have 5 items. So we've got a better idea of what projects we've got going on for our business in what states. Okay, so that's set comprehensions. We can also do dictionary comprehensions. Okay, all right. So let's say we had an ages dictionary. So I'm going to create one of those, my ages dict, and we wanted to figure out birth year based off the ages. And again, this could be maybe 1,000 employees, and we have the age they're going to be at the end of the current year. So let's say Sarah's going to be 50 at the end of the current year, Tim's going to be 47 at the end of the current year, Joe, he still has a mental age of 11, he's staying put there. Will's going to be 18 at the end of the current year, and Ben is going to be 46 at the end of the current year. And again, let's say this was a real big list. Let's say we had 1,000 employees, and we wanted their birth dates so we could put that in the database. Well, we could create a birth year dictionary based off of this information. So let's create a variable. Let's call it current year and set that equal to 2023. And I could say my birth year dictionary equals, so we're going to have a key, and I'm just going to abbreviate that as K. And then I'm going to do current year minus V. And then I'm going to say for KV in my ages dictionary dot datums. Okay, and now let's print out my birth year dictionary. Okay, and if we run that, we see we got Sarah's birthday, Sarah's birth year, Tim's birth year, Joe's birth year, so on and so forth. Okay, so what we could do is we could, create this for 1,000 items, and then we have the keys, and we can look up an individual by their key, and we'd probably have the key as the first and the last name. So we type that into the computer, figure out their birth year and all that stuff if we needed to look up that information, say in HR or whatever. I think that's it for set and dictionary comprehensions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, could you please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more Python videos like this. Thanks for watching.